Margie, it's time to get up from your nap, baby. Want me to open the window for you? You ready to go for a bike ride? Or are you thirsty?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Margie.
My hair is curly.
Your hair is curly, like Mommy's. And the same color.
With me.
La 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 la. We were singing a different song, Margie. Do you want to go for a bike ride? Huh? And walk the dogs? You do? Okay, are you thirsty at all, Margie? Do you want a sip of water? Yeah? Good job. We'll check your diaper when we get home. Yeah, you were very thirsty when you got up.
Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome. You have beautiful green eyes. So pretty.
My hair is pretty.
Yes, your hair is pretty, and so are your beautiful eyes, honey. Okay, let's get ready and go. Okay, we're gonna ride Mommy's bike. Uh-oh, what? Check your diaper. I don't think so. I think you're just pretending. No, no stinky. No, we're just now beginning to go on playtime. Let's go. Margie, you're in the basket. Are you ready to go for a ride on Mom's trike? Are you excited? Oh, you look so cute on Mommy's trike. You even match it. Look at the color. It's perfect. We're gonna take Banjo and we're gonna take Cinnamon on a trike ride so they can go to the potty. Okay, Margie, you're all strapped in. We're getting ready to go. Are you all safe? Yeah? Are you happy? You've got your bottle in case you get thirsty. Okay, here we go. Hold on tight, Margie. Cinnamon's gonna ride with Margie so she doesn't get scared. They're gonna comfort each other. I think this place is perfect. Let's go ahead and get out and we'll let the dogs out to see if they need to go to the restroom. We're gonna walk the dogs and I think Margie wants to help. Do you want to help walk the dogs, Margie? Huh? Have you ever walked a dog before? I don't think you have. You want to get out?
Mommy, I missed you.
I missed you too.
I'm
But
so hungry.
oh, okay. Well, I've got something for you to drink. I've got some juice or some lemonade. You want to sit under the tree? Here, you sit under the tree and watch us as we walk the dogs. Here you go. Here's you some lemonade. There you go.
I'm so thirsty.
Oh my goodness, you're drinking a lot. We didn't even go very far. Okay, you ready to play, Margie?
Is it playtime?
It sure is. Patty cake, patty cake.
Where are you?
I'm right here, Margie. Look this way. Here I am. I'm gonna walk the dogs.
Later.
You can play. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll 'em in, mark 'em with an M. Throw 'em in the oven for Margie and me. look at our trike. A bird has even decided to start making a nest in there. Did you see the nest? Has sticks and moss. Are you girls finished playing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to go back on the bike, Margie?
Hi.
Hi, you ready?
Sit with me.
Oh, you're not done yet. Okay. La 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 la. Okay, let's go, Margie. We need to get back home before it gets dark. Margie, you really need to sit down. It's much safer if you're sitting down in the basket. Okay, we don't want you to fall out once we get to moving. Margie May, I said sit down. You're not listening to Mama. I guess you'll learn if you fall. There we go, much better, girls. Now we can go home safely. We need to go start dinner before it gets too late because we don't want to go to bed on a full tummy. That would give us a really bad tummy ache. And Margie's getting hungry. I can tell because she's sucking her thumb. You always want to pick up your pet litter before you leave. Good job, Cash. You did very well. Thank you for demonstrating that courteous gesture. Is everybody coming? Good, because we're almost home. You can see our place from here, Margie. We're almost home. Well, here we are, back home safely, where we left from. We returned safely. We had a very nice journey. We are glad that you could join us today. Margie, can you say bye-bye? Oh, she's asleep. Well, I'm gonna get her ready for dinner and then ready for bed. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to Silly Baby Alive if you haven't already, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave us some comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.